Hello everyone, this is Gao Xiang from Team X and Change, and I will be presenting to you the HackDo system our team has done for the Orbital program. As you can see in the documentation, the first feature of our system is the user can sign up as a new pending member, and he will be able to view his member review request status and be able to change his password. Let's go to the demo. This is the application that hosts on the Heroku, and let's go to the sign up page. As you can see, as I type in the username, the system will warn me if the username has been taken. Let me fill up the form for you. And as you can see, as I type in the referral username, it will show me all the current users inside our system so that you can choose the referral easier. At last, you need to choose a contract type. I will just choose use member, and let's register. And the system will show me the user has already been created, and let's log in. As you can see, it will show me I have two member review, pending member review, and it will show me the default avatar for my email. The second feature will be super user is able to add or remove admin user and import bank log as CSV data. Let's log in as admin. And if you go to the members page, and we can promote test2 as a staff user. I just give his permission to only change bank log, and save, and I'm logging out and logging as test2 again. And you will see I don't have permission to view the members page, but I have permission to view the bank log page. And just to show you, currently there is no bank log, and I can upload a sample CSV file, then it will be saved as a model in our database. As you can see, it saves the amount and transaction types and currency and the description from the bank. That's the feature 2. Last two feature will be after the user member review request has been approved, a admin user is able to approve the pending user to become an active member, and the normal user, which is an active member, will be able to view or download his invoice, approve or reject other review requests, and then submit a new payment for verification and view his account summary. And for the admin, he is able to approve or reject payment verification requests. As we can see, test 4 still have two pending review requests from test 1 and admin. I will just approve. So once he check the membership review will be approved, and I will be logging as test. So all of the membership request has been approved. Now admin is able to make test 4 as an active member. Let's update. And he has one contract as a use member, so he's able to submit a payment, for example. And once he submits the payment for verification, admin should be able to view the payment verification request. And admin can view all the current bank log to check if the payment has already been received or not, and change the status of the payment. For example, I will verify this and link to a existing payment in my bank log and update. And once the payment has been updated, user will be able to receive a email reminder. As see here, user will receive his payment has been verified. That's all the features so far. At last, I will just show you the function and unit test of our project. As you can see, we are using Python letters and Selenium to test our system as function tests. We just write the features and scenarios. For example, I will define the registration page UI and run registration if user has typed in something wrong in the form, and then we can just run this test with Harvard's management command. Then this will start a separate server running on a different port, and using Selenium to start up automation web browser to help us to serve to access the page as the way we define, and then tells us the result. As you can see, if you go to the registration page, try to type in something to see whether the page has the errors as defined, and then at last it will test whether the user has been successfully created. And it will show all the tests has been passed. And another one will be better manage test HackDo, which is running the unit test. That's all for our demo.